Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Ancient Time Beauty Secrets. So in today's video, I'm sharing you a face pack which will not only give you a clear and bright complexion but also helps you in removing acne scars, whiteheads as well as blackheads. All that you need to make this face pack is rose water, multani mitti, basin, turmeric powder, milk powder and aloe vera gel. Let's talk about Multani Mitti first. Coming to its benefits, it not only evens out skin tone and brightens complexion, but also helps to fight acne and pimples. It removes oil, dirt from the skin, giving our skin a perfect glow. So it even helps in treating tanning and pigmentation. And this can be the one of the best face packs that could be used in this hot summer to pamper our skin and give it a perfect glow. So next comes basin, which has excellent exfoliating and healing properties. It helps in removing suntan and treats acne. On using basin in our beauty regime every day, it can help remove facial hair. So next comes milk powder, which has high concentrations of vitamins and minerals. The lactic acid in it lightens and smoothens skin. It also helps in the formation of new skin cells, boosts collagen, and gives our skin a youthful glow. And the next is turmeric. Turmeric is excellent for acne because it is a natural antiseptic and helps to keep bacteria from spreading. The next comes rose water and aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel easily gets absorbed into the skin and rose water helps our skin get moisturized. So to make this face pack, take 1 tablespoon of basin and 1 tablespoon multani mitti and mix them thoroughly. After mixing basin and multani mitti, take half tablespoon of milk powder and a pinch of turmeric and mix all the contents thoroughly to a fine powder. You can see. So once all the contents are mixed thoroughly, it forms a fine powder and then add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel and mix all the contents thoroughly with enough rose water until a fine paste is formed. You can see here. There should not be any bumps. Make a smooth and fine paste of it. Once you mix all the contents thoroughly, a fine paste is formed, so your face pack is ready to use. But one step ahead of this is steaming. Applying this face pack, first of all wash your face and then steam your face. For steaming, what all you require is only some amount of lukewarm water and a cotton kerchief or a cotton cloth. Wipe your face using this cotton kerchief and then apply the face pack. After steaming, apply this face pack to your face and neck, and after it dries, wash off with cold water. Do not use any soap or face wash. Wash with cold water, it will do. And apply any serum or moisturizer you use. I've already made a homemade serum. You can definitely use that. It is much more effective. So thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.